Banc d'Arguin National Park, a jewel of Africa, hidden on the coast of Mauritania, a land of stark beauty, where the Sahara Desert meets the Atlantic Ocean. This park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a testament to nature's wonders, a vital habitat for diverse species, a place of immense ecological importance. The park stretches along the Atlantic coast, encompassing sand dunes, islands, and shallow coastal waters. It's a unique blend of ecosystems, a delicate balance between land and sea. This area is a haven for wildlife, a refuge for migratory birds, a breeding ground for marine life. Its preservation is crucial for the planet, for future generations. Banc d'Arguin's ecosystem is unique, a delicate balance of desert and ocean. The cold Canary Current flows here, creating nutrient-rich waters. These waters teem with life. Plankton blooms attract fish, fish attract birds. A complex food web exists here. Millions of migratory birds stop here. On their long journeys, they find food and refuge. The park is a vital link in their migration routes. The park also protects endangered species, like the Mediterranean monk seal and the Atlantic humpback dolphin. Their survival depends on this ecosystem. Imagine a place where towering sand dunes plunge into the ocean. This is Banc d'Arguin, a surreal landscape, a photographer's dream. The Sahara Desert stretches for miles. Its sands meet the crashing waves, creating a dramatic coastline, a constant battle between two forces. The wind sculpts the dunes. Shifting sands create ever-changing patterns. The ocean's currents shape the coastline, carving inlets and bays. This meeting point is not barren. Life thrives in this harsh environment. Specialized plants anchor the dunes. Creatures adapt to the shifting sands. Banc d'Arguin is a network of shallow lagoons, protected from the open ocean. These lagoons are teeming with life, a nursery for countless species. The water is crystal clear. Sunlight penetrates to the bottom. Seagrass meadows sway with the current, providing food and shelter. Fish dart among the seagrass. Crabs scuttle along the sandy bottom. Mollusks bury themselves in the mud, a hidden world beneath the surface. The lagoons are a haven for birds. Flocks of flamingos wade in the shallows. Pelicans skim the surface. A symphony of bird calls fills the air. Scattered throughout the park are islands, some sandy, some rocky. These islands provide crucial nesting grounds for birds and turtles. Terns nest in dense colonies. Their calls are cacophony. Gulls soar overhead, their cries echoing across the water. Endangered turtles come ashore to lay their eggs on the sandy beaches. Under the cover of darkness, they dig their nests, an ancient ritual. These islands are vital to the ecosystem. They offer protection from predators and ensure the survival of these species, a delicate balance of life. Banc d'Arguin is a birdwatcher's paradise. Millions of birds migrate here from across the globe. They come for the abundant food and the safe haven. Flamingos paint the lagoons pink, their long legs wading through shallow water. Their curved beaks filter out tiny organisms, a breathtaking spectacle. Pelicans soar effortlessly, their huge wingspans casting shadows. They plunge into the water, scooping up fish in their pouches, a display of aerial prowess. Terns and gulls crowd the islands, their nests covering every inch of ground. Their calls create a deafening chorus, a testament to their numbers. Shorebirds scurry along the water's edge, sandpipers, plovers, and oyster catchers. Their beaks probe the sand for invertebrates, a constant search for sustenance. Beneath the surface, a different world exists, teeming with vibrant life and hidden wonders. The waters of Banc d'Arguin teem with life, a rich tapestry of marine species, a delicate ecosystem that thrives in harmony. Seagrass meadows sway in the current, providing shelter for countless creatures, from the tiniest shrimp to larger fish. Small fish seek refuge from predators, darting in and out of the protective blades of seagrass. Crabs and lobsters crawl among the blades, their movements slow and deliberate, a testament to the rich biodiversity. Schools of fish shimmer in the sunlight. Sardines, anchovies, and mullet, moving as one in a mesmerizing display. They attract larger predators, dolphins, sharks, and rays, each playing a crucial role in the marine food web. A constant dance of hunter and prey unfolds, a delicate balance of survival and adaptation. Turtles glide gracefully through the water. Loggerhead, green, and hawksbill turtles, ancient mariners of the sea. They come to these waters to feed and mate, ancient mariners in a fragile ecosystem, continuing a cycle that has existed for millennia. The ocean floor is alive with invertebrates. Clams, mussels, and oysters filter the water, maintaining the health of the ecosystem. Sea stars and urchins crawl slowly, a hidden world beneath the waves, each creature playing its part in this underwater wonderland. Among the park's most iconic inhabitants are the Mediterranean monk seals. A critically endangered species, these seals are a symbol of the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Banc d'Arguin is a vital refuge, a sanctuary that plays a crucial role in the survival of these seals. These seals were once abundant, thriving in large numbers across the Mediterranean. Now, only a few hundred remain, scattered and struggling to survive. Hunting and habitat loss pushed them to the brink, decimating their populations and destroying their homes. Banc d'Arguin offers a glimmer of hope, a protected area where nature can heal and wildlife can thrive. The park provides a safe haven for these gentle giants, allowing them to rest and interact without fear. They bask on secluded beaches and raise their pups in peace, away from human disturbance and threats. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures, involving dedicated scientists and conservationists. Monitoring their populations, reducing threats to their survival, and ensuring their future through innovative techniques. The presence of these seals highlights the park's importance, showcasing its role in marine conservation. A sanctuary for endangered species, Banc d'Arguin is a haven for diverse wildlife. A testament to successful conservation, the park is a living example of what dedicated efforts can achieve. A beacon of hope for the future, inspiring continued efforts to protect our planet's precious wildlife. The Banc d'Arguin region, a place of ancient history. Human presence here dates back millennia. Evidence of early settlements dot the landscape. Archaeological finds tell stories of past civilizations who lived in harmony with this unique environment. Their lives intertwined with the sea. The wind whispers tales of nomadic tribes who roamed the desert fringes, their lives dependent on the land's resources. A delicate balance. Today, the Imraguen people are the park's most prominent inhabitants, their history and culture deeply connected to Banc d'Arguin, a living heritage. The Imraguen people, their lives are bound to the sea. For generations they have fished these waters, their knowledge passed down through centuries. They are masters of the tides, their boats crafted from wood and canvas. They navigate the shallow lagoons with an innate understanding of the currents. Their fishing methods are sustainable, using traditional techniques. Nets carefully woven to target specific fish, ensuring the preservation of stocks. Their relationship with the dolphins is legendary, a unique partnership. Dolphins herd fish towards the shore, and the Imraguen cast their nets. A symbiotic dance. The Imraguen's way of life is, well, threatened by modernization. The lure of easier fishing methods and the pressure on fish stocks pose significant challenges to preserving their heritage. The park's creation in 1976 offered a lifeline, protecting their fishing grounds and recognizing their cultural significance. It was a step towards sustainable coexistence. Today, the Imraguen are partners in conservation. Their knowledge is invaluable, guiding scientists and park rangers, ensuring the park's future. Their story is a reminder that humans can live in harmony with nature. Their legacy is a treasure to be cherished, a testament to the power of traditional knowledge. Protecting Banc d'Arguin is, without a doubt, a challenging task. The park faces many threats. Overfishing, pollution, and climate change all pose risks. Dedicated park rangers stand guard, patrolling the vast area. Their mission is to enforce regulations and protect this natural treasure. They combat illegal fishing, a constant battle. Some vessels disregard boundaries, seeking to exploit the park's resources, threatening its delicate balance. Pollution from oil spills is a looming danger. The waters off Mauritania are a major shipping route. An accident could spell disaster for the park's fragile ecosystem. Conservation requires balance, respecting the Imraguen's way of life while safeguarding the park's future. It's a delicate act, finding common ground. The park authorities work closely with the Imraguen communities to find sustainable solutions, ensuring the long-term health of the ecosystem. Fishing regulations are in place, limiting catch sizes and fishing seasons, protecting vulnerable species, and allowing fish stocks to replenish. The Imraguen play a vital role as stewards of the park. Their knowledge of the waters is invaluable in conservation efforts, a true partnership. Banc d'Arguin is a global treasure. Its importance extends beyond Mauritania. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, a shared responsibility. International organizations provide support, funding research and conservation programs, helping to protect this vital ecosystem for future generations. Scientists from around the world come to study the park's biodiversity. Their research sheds light on the delicate balance of life here and the threats it faces. Tourists are drawn to its beauty. Their visits generate income, supporting local communities and funding conservation efforts. Sustainable tourism is key. We must all do our part to raise awareness, support conservation efforts, and ensure that Banc d'Arguin National Park continues to thrive. Banc d'Arguin National Park, a testament to nature's power and resilience, a place where the desert kisses the ocean, creating a realm of extraordinary beauty and contrast. A vital habitat for countless species. This park is a sanctuary for millions of migratory birds, offering them a safe haven during their long journeys. It is also a refuge for endangered species like the Mediterranean monk seal, which finds solace on its shores, and for the rich marine life that thrives in its waters, creating a vibrant underwater ecosystem. The Imraguen people, masters of the tides and custodians of ancient knowledge, their lives intricately woven with the park's rhythm, living in harmony with nature. Their ancient fishing traditions are a reminder of sustainable coexistence, passed down through generations. Banc d'Arguin stands as a beacon of hope for the future, a symbol of what can be achieved through dedication and care. Proof that conservation efforts can succeed, restoring balance to the environment. It shows that humans can live in harmony with nature, benefiting both people and the planet. This park is a gift, passed down through generations, a treasure for all to cherish. A legacy we must protect for the sake of the planet and for the wonder of future generations, ensuring its beauty endures. The future of Banc d'Arguin rests in our hands. The threats are real: overfishing, pollution, climate change, all casting shadows on this paradise. We must act now, support the park's conservation efforts, raise awareness about its importance, encourage sustainable tourism practices. Every action counts. Let us remember the interconnectedness of all things. The health of our planet, the survival of countless species, all depend on places like Banc d'Arguin. Support the park rangers, the scientists, the Imraguen people, all working tirelessly to protect this treasure. Their dedication inspires us to do the same. Together, we can ensure that Banc d'Arguin National Park remains a vibrant sanctuary, a testament to the power of nature, a legacy for generations to come.